Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert SPayLater into GCash. In this video, we'll be showing you how to convert your SPayLater balance into GCash. First, open the app and go to the section where your wallet is located. Tap on the SPayLater option, which you'll find right beside the Coins tab. Once your SPayLater account is connected, you can use it to make a purchase. Select any item you'd like to buy, tap Buy Now, and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment options, choose SPayLater. This will allow you to use your SPayLater credit for the transaction. The funds will then reflect in your GCash wallet through your purchase or cash out process. Just make sure your GCash and Shopee accounts are linked properly for smoother transactions. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.